Assalamu alaikum, grade 5. Hopefully you will be fine. Today is 16 June 2020 and the day is Tuesday. Ongoing week is 2. I am going to take your online class. I am your social studies teacher. Today we will study unit number 1, the earth and the environment, and the topic is from weather to climate. Page number 7 to 9. Page number 7 to 9. The topics which we will cover today are factors that affect weather. These are main topics. Factors that affect weather, climate, reasons for different climates in the world, and in third main heading we will study the subheadings, the subtopic latitude, height above the sea level and distance from the sea. So let's open page number 7. Here we go towards page number 7, from weather to climate. In previous classes you have learned about weather is the name we use for the changing atmospheric condition at any given time. Changing atmospheric condition at any given time, we called it the weather. In most parts of the world the weather keeps changing. In most parts of the world the weather keeps on changing. It doesn't remain the same for long. Weather doesn't remains the same for long time. So it's mean that weather is the short term atmospheric condition. Now some factors that affect weather. To determine the weather of a place, it is necessary to note the temperature, precipitation, humidity, winds and air pressure. Because a change in any of these factors will affect the weather. How weather will affect? By these different factors. These are precipitation, humidity, winds and air pressure. Understand? Meteorologist can determine the different weather conditions by measuring them in the weather or meteorological station. Meteorologist, what is meteorologist? From do you know, you will come to know that a weather station or meteorological station is a place where instruments to measure and record weather are kept. Other information is provided by satellite technology. So the meteorologist is the person who determine the different weather conditions by using weather station. Understand? Do you know how the different conditions of weather are measured in the meteorological stations? So from this page we will come to know about this. The table given below shows the instruments used to measure different conditions of weather. These are conditions: temperature, wind direction, wind speed, air pressure. Understand? So temperature is measured with a thermometer. It tells us how hot or cold a place is. Now you can see instrument is thermometer and unit used for the measurement is degrees Fahrenheit or degree Celsius. Rainfall. Rainfall is precipitation. Is measured with a rain gauge. The instrument is rain gauge. You can see here. And the unit of measurement is millimeters. Wind direction is indicated by a wind vane. The arrow points to the direction opposite to where the wind comes from. Wind vane. This is the instrument to use to record or to measure the wind direction. Here north, south, east and west and the intermediate directions. south, now west, east and north. Understand? Now next is wind speed is measured using an anemometer. When the wind spins the shaft, the speed of its movement is recorded. Anemometer. Okay. Knots, nautical miles per hour. How it is measured, in which unit? Nautical miles per hour. The next is air pressure. Air pressure is the weight of the air pressing down on the earth's surface. It is measured by a barometer. And the what is instrument? Barometer is this. Here comes millibars, the unit of measurement. Humidity is the amount of water vapor in the air. The instrument used to measure humidity is called a hygrometer. This is hygrometer, and the unit of measurement is gram or kilogram. Kilogram versus kilogram. Now next is page number 9. Climate. What is climate? First of all, we were studied about weather. Now, what is climate? Climate is the word we use for the common weather conditions of an area over a long period of time, at least 30 years. This is a long period atmospheric condition is called climate. Climate includes the record of temperature, amount of rainfall, moisture, wind and atmospheric pressure. The climate varies from one part of the world to another. The climate is not same to whole the world. In some countries there is summer, and in some countries there is hot weather, and in some countries there is cold weather. Okay. It can be very hot, very cold. It can be very hot, very cold, or moderate. Moderate means neutral. Not very hot, not very cold. It means moderate or neutral. Temperate, which means neither too hot or nor too cold. Neutral means, or temperate, or you can say moderate. Reasons for different climates in the world. Number 1 is latitude. The earth is divided by a series of imaginary horizontal parallel lines. As the earth is a sphere, these circles become smaller as they approach the poles. The equator is at the center of these lines. It divides the earth into exactly two halves, the northern hemisphere and the southern hemisphere. The sun's rays fall directly on the equator, as here the distance between the earth and the sun is the least. Therefore, the region closest to the equator experience a hot climate, because these are close to the sun. When the earth's part close to the sun, so there is hot temperature. The regions which lie further away from the equator receive the sun rays at an angle. The further the region is from the equator, the cooler its climate will be. The poles, which are the furthest point from the equator, experience extremely cold climates, because these lie far from the sun, height above the sea level. The higher a place is situated above sea level, the cooler it is, because the temperature decreases by 1 centigrade with every 200 meters of altitude distance from sea level. The sea is cooler than the land in summer, but because water retains its heat longer than land does, it is warmer than the land in winter. Thus, in summer, cool breeze blowing across the sea keep regions near the sea cooler than regions lying inland. In winter, the reverse happens. Due to warm sea breeze, the coastal regions enjoy mild winters as opposed to severe winter inland. बिकॉज वाटर में ये टेंडेंसी होती है कि ज़्यादा देर हीट को अपने अंदर एब्जॉर्ब करता है, इसलिए समर में समंदर जो है वो कूल होता है ज़मीन की निस्बत, और इन विंटर सीज़न द लैंड इज़ वार्मर बिकॉज लैंड जो है वो जल्दी हीट को इतनी ज़्यादा देर तक अपने अंदर एब्जॉर्ब नहीं रखती. Understand? Thank you.